In Eagle County, the Derby fire is continuing to grow rapidly. It is more than 5,000 acres in size. That's about 1,000 acres more than it was burning on Saturday. It's burning near Dotsero, which is east of Glenwood Springs. It's still 0% contained while evacuation orders remain in effect. Scripps News Group in Denver spoke with a PhD candidate at Colorado State University who says wildfires in Colorado over the last 3 decades have increased in frequency and size and have become more unpredictable as temperatures across the world are going up.
It's really hard to predict whether a given year is going to be a good year or a bad year. But one thing we can say confidently is that these, historically unprecedented mega fires, like the Lee fire that just happened out near Meeker, that they are becoming more frequent, and it's harder for ecosystems and communities to recover from them.
There are more than 640 fire personnel working to put that fire out. The Lee fire is 2 acres away from passing 2002's Hayman fire as Colorado's 4th largest wildfire. The fire in Rio Blanco County sits at 137,758 acres with 90% of it contained. That's up from 86% yesterday. This one's burning near the town of Meeker. It's about 5 hours northwest of Colorado Springs. This fire started from lightning back on August 2nd.